Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda HR-V LX. The vehicle will come equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll have an Econ mode for fuel-efficient driving. All-weather floor mats in the front, back, and in the cargo space in the trunk. Steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands. You'll also be able to connect up your music through Bluetooth, AM and FM radio bands. You'll be able to connect your phone. Electronic parking brake, as well as a brake hold feature. Innovative cup holder design, so even if you do have a deeper cup, the vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera. Underneath the all-weather cargo tray, you will have tools to change the tire. This is the 2019 Honda HR-V LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.